Welcome to Himachal Pradesh. Few of my friends had been to Jalori Pass, Parashar Lake, Jibhi Waterfalls and would like to share short videos of these places. Myself Trilochan. I am interested to provide useful information on various places. Please watch this video till the end to know more about this region. This region is nestled in Middle or Lesser Himalayas in general and Kulu in particular. The Himalayas consist of three ranges: the Greater Himalayan Range, the Lesser or Middle Himalayan Range, and the Shivalik Range. This is Tirthan River, and it is the tributary of the river Bias. It forms the Tirthan Valley. One should avoid monsoon season from visiting hill stations. You could see the local traditional Pahadi architecture in the construction. These Himachal Himalayas are locally known as Dauladar. View of the Himalayan range has always present a beautiful skyline in the form of layers. Jalori Pass is a high mountain pass. It is located at an elevation of over 10,000 feet above the sea level. The road to Jalori Pass is narrow and steep, which is on the way from Kanang towards Shoja. Jalori Mata is the famous local god here. Devdar, a highly valued endemic species, grows mainly in this region. Parashar Lake is situated at 9,000 feet above the sea level. This is already a small lake but endowed with another tiny island which mesmerizes our senses. Near to it, pagoda-like temple is dedicated to Parashar. The decrease in temperature with increasing altitude leads to a corresponding change in natural vegetation. This region of Himalayas are endowed with pine and cedar forests. Blue pine, chir pine, spruce appear at this altitude. Of course, you could see temperate grasslands as well. Please do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please share it.